Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Klatch. I wanted to show you how to make a cute little baby shower gift tag. I went on to Cricut Design Space. I clicked on images and typed in cutie patootie. And scrolled down until I found the onesie with the trim. I selected it and then added the image. I hid the text and changed the color of the trim to purple and the color of the onesie to white, and this could be any color you want it to be. I sized it to be 6 inches tall by 5.511 inches wide. I added a text box and typed out my message. And changed the font to awesome. I sized and spaced the text to fit. I hit make it and it separated the project into different mats. I've loaded the paper on my mat, and don't forget to add your pen. And then you can pull it off the mat just like this. Now I'm going to put the other color on. Once the trim is cut, you can pull the paper off and take off your little pieces of trim. And this is just made with cardstock, so you could use any color you want. Coordinate it to the nursery. And again, I did this as a gift tag, but you can do it as like place cards and that kind of thing as well. And you can use little glue dots or glue sticks. So I'm just putting a little glue stick on here. And there it is. All you have to do is add a ribbon, tie it to your package, and you can put any message on there that you want. And again, you can shrink it down and use it as place cards, or you can use it as a gift tag. You could use it on the buffet, anything you want. But I just thought it was super cute and I wanted to share it with you. I hope you guys enjoyed the baby shower gift tag, and even if you don't happen to have a cutting machine, just so that you kind of get introduced to how they work and different things that you can make with them, and in case you've been on the fence. And remember, if you're ever looking for written directions or a materials list, you can find it over at my website at craftclatch.com. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.